It's Harry Potter train station 9 3/4.
Yeah, you just run to it and go right through it. I'm out.
He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
So we've cleaned the wet locker, which is this side, and the bathroom somewhat out so that we can hopefully get this wall in here. Got to glue a fairing strip up here, but so we'll do that today, and then tomorrow we will install the wall and the door, and then that will separate. And the main reason we're doing it right now is this doesn't seal real well. There's no gasket in it yet, and so lots of heat comes in, and of course, you know, it gets kind of warm in Florida every now and then, so we want to limit that. Like today, yeah. So anyway, that's what we're doing. And we actually cut the piece for this about this time 3 years ago plus. Actually, well, it was right before we went to Daytona, so that was over 3 years ago. So yeah, 2023.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Oh yeah, you can see the piece in the back. I've uncovered it there. What's the proper width? Just checking the height. Yep, 78. That's the height.
But that's the width?
That's the width.
That looks a lot wider.
39, no, 39 and a quarter inch.
It's magic.
Look, we even wrote it down. 39 and a quarter, 78 and a half. Although it just came out to be 78 when I measured it there. We even had instructions.
Prep for spray foam. Take areas that we don't want spray foam on. We did that already.
Yeah,
Check.
Yeah, check.
Finish clearing out. Check.
Check.
Cut plywood.
It's
Check.
cut, yeah. It's just not installed. I was supposed to install it when I was in Daytona.
That's right. What happened?
Yeah, I don't know. I worked on air conditioner and other things.
Go ahead and mark it there.
Yeah, you can. Okay, well, we can't do any more fitting until that's cut out. You want to get the multi-tool? Okay, there you go. I think we got the piece upside down. I want to flip this over. That's 39 and a quarter there. No, it's definitely not square. Which one's angled? Are they both angled? Yeah, this is again where we should make a template. So let's take this back. Okay, how do we get this out of here now?
Got lane.
So this is going to be the furring strip. I'm just marking its location right now. So down
That's a
there.
wavy wall.
Yeah, not much we can do about that. Okay, glue. Fun. Okay, I'm gonna go get some lunch. I'm gonna turn the camera off later.
We're starting to build the template for this wall.
Got the bottom thing in. We tried to use staples, but of course every time I would fire the stapler off, it would just jerk the wood back and it wouldn't stay. So then I remembered the hot glue would work nice because that dries really quickly, but don't have any of that. But from the deck work, we have some leftover super glue, so use that. And so far, that has worked really well for the bottom two spots, and hopefully it'll work equally well up there for those two spots. We will certainly find out in a moment. It's perfect, yes. Ah, it came undone. Crap, it's gonna come undone there too. Oh, how long should I hold this? Seems to be... my thumb's glued nicely. Yeah. The bottom is a different wood than this wood, and it appears to have got on really well with that wood, but these two pieces of wood, not so much. I'll find any more spring. This board, we got it fitted. The camera had an issue, so I don't know if we had much filming of it, but we test fitted it. It fitted just fine. And so now I've put Kreg screw holes through on 3 sides. So now once we get it painted, which we're gonna do this evening, tomorrow, unless the paint dries pretty quick, so I don't know, but usually we do 2 coats. So probably tomorrow we'll put it in and then cut the hole out for the door. This is the last structural wall I think we have for the
boat.
End of an era.
End of a decade.
Decade of work. November of 27 will
Okay.
be 10 years.
We better be done before then.
Yeah, and that's the truth.
All right.
Yeah.
Later.
Bye. Good morning. Well, we got this all painted and Kreg screws drilled out and everything, so we're gonna move it up into the wet locker port bathroom and get it installed, and then we will install the door. That'll give us inside access to the wet locker also.
You got it.
Yeah.
It's all you.
All me. Put a couple Kreg screws down there and over there, one up there. Okay. My savior. I'm out. And here's the exciting door that we're going to put in. It's PVC and then aluminum frame, and it has a lip around it, so it'll stop all that airflow once we get some blocking at the very top of the wall. There's a dead spider inside the door. There's this mark. It doesn't work.
Cool.
It's approximately where the door is going to go, but up higher. We're going to place the door here, put a couple screws in to hold it in place, and then trace it, and then we'll get the jigsaw out and cut that chunk
Well,
out.
we'll test to make sure we can open the door good.
Yeah, we got to clear that little dot right there. Oh yeah, we're clearing it. That should be the end of the toilet right there. That's at 14 inches center. That's 15-inch center. Putting some blocking in so I can put the door on top of it. Woohoo! Man, I think we're 2.5.
Do it again. Yeah, that's awfully close.
Yeah. I mean, it clears, but
2.5 sounds good.
yeah. Okay.
Does it not look any different?
Yeah, it looks better. Yeah, because it's only a 1/2 inch. And maybe if we had that tighter.
We should have gained a 1/2 inch.
No, because it's at an angle.
Oh.
You gain the sine of that, whatever that is.
Okay, math.
Get those screws and we'll go ahead and set this. This is sticking out 1 inch right now.
Right.
So this is going to go back.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
So we might have gone over even farther.
Yeah, but I think we're fine. I mean, 2.5
Okay.
is good. Yeah, look at that great access.
Woohoo!
Drawing my cut line. It's tempting, Jay.
Taking the door off.
Well, just entertaining. Go ahead and get a cut, and then we'll break for lunch. True question. Will it even open?
Woo!
Lots of good clearance. Okay. Later.
Later.